Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter N. Capital N, little n. What words begin with N? Net, N-E-T. The word net begins with the letter N. Nets are usually used to catch insects or animals, but they can be used in other ways as well. The fish were caught in the net. Nori, N-O-R-I. The word nori also begins with the letter N. It is seaweed compressed into thin sheets and eaten as a garnishment. Nori seaweed is grown on nets. Narwhal, N-A-R-W-H-A-L. This medium-sized whale swims in the Arctic seas and has a long tusk that looks like a horn. Narwhals are called unicorn whales. What sound does the letter N represent? Can you say Very good. N, the 14th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.